Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Well, I would like to cover additional ways how to save your margins on Amazon, again with the little bit smarter advertising on Amazon. So for example, everybody knows that the one of the best ways to rank properly on Amazon is to push the keyword in exact match. I mean, that's the most precise way to do it. There are many other ways to do it, but let's say you're having exact match single keyword campaign and you're trying to push for better organic ranks. So what you usually do, you set up a good budget calculated using the PPC calculator that I shared a few days ago, and you found that, okay, you will spend whatever, $200 on the single keyword to rank properly. And what you do, well, you start a campaign and you don't watch the ACOS as you shouldn't with the ranking campaign. So it can go up to 550, 60, 100, whatever. No, if it serves the purpose of ranking, the ACOS doesn't matter on that single campaign. So you need to be calm and just let it go until you get the good ranking. So, but I want to emphasize that's sometimes not enough. What's the issue? The main issue is that you may end up having high costs on that campaign. You may end up having some sales on it, but if it's not contributing to the organic rank, then it's a pure waste of money. So you should watch daily, if not hourly, using the bid boost on Helium 10 or Data Dive, whatever you like to use, and watch daily on what's happening with your ranks. So if your CPR number says you need to have 30 sales over the period of 8 days, that is what, like 2 or 4 sales like per day, and you're not having that, but still you're having, instead of 4, you have 2 sales, and you cannot beat that. You just can't beat the competitors, or your conversion rate is too bad, too low, because you haven't optimized your listing. So whatever the reason is, if you're not increasing rank, that's a pure waste. So I keep seeing the ranking campaigns inside the campaign managers when I do my audits, that they are the ranking campaigns, but they are not contributing to the overall organic rank. So pay attention to that. Re-evaluate your campaigns if you already have them, and if they're not serving the purpose, then convert them to the profitable campaigns. Lower that bit, lower the budgets, aim for the profitable ACOS. So let me know how you do it, and if you need any help with this, please let me know. Bye bye.